Stay focused, stay together.
Swear to God, I haven't played a synth in years.
Actually, yeah, low-key, me too. Resting in peace. Finally, finally. Who's gonna they bury me? Wait, you're back.
Wait, slide.
I'm back.
Headshot.
Get to you,
Right
We're
side.
playing this?
Blocking movement. Getting cuffed. Satchel up.
Guess we're playing this. Fuck.
Light planted.
One enemy remaining. Flawless.
Not a remake, I
Another
guess.
That brimstone's a stubborn ass. Reminds me of someone.
Wait, so you just scanned this guy's shower?
Come on.
Oh.
Hey, Masaru.
Come on, let's go.
Masaru.
Hawk out.
Masaru.
Stim beacon here.
Get him. Grenade.
Should let me that first.
Masaru.
Get on the ladder. Yep.
Launching smoke.
Enemy spotted B.
Kissing me long.
That's it.
Hookah.
One enemy remaining.
One shot.
I did 33.
Spike
30 HP.
down
One
B.
Smoke's down.
Heal up, squad. I got the spike.
Go to my body.
Time for a protein shake.
Masaru.
What is that cross? What the fuck?
Momentary
Masaru.
win. Let us make
Yeah,
it
that bet.
permanent.
What the dog doing? How do you know who's on the other team? Well, I just checked. Ah. I see 0-2 and we're up 2-0. GG. Masaru.
Wait, so Masara still no comms?
Yeah.
It's been
Think
years, man.
I think Com's a need. Barely does.
Oh.
Viper.
Is she?
Stim beacon down.
No march. What was up? Nading pocket. Flashing.
Reloading. Satchel out.
Flash again.
Very
Smoke's down.
Fucking
no.
In the smoke. Side.
Side.
Exit
We
out.
should go back. We should go back. Okay, go back.
Hawk
We
out.
should. Maybe even. Wait, Jacko's there too. All three.
Gecko Riz was there
All
100%.
three.
Launching smoke.
Spike planted.
One of them.
Sleep tight.
That timing sucked.
One enemy remaining.
Ah.
Ah, nice Masaru. You and me, baby. You and me.
They're losing cards.
What the fuck is he saying? The fuck is Quan talking about?
Stim beacon here.
Under hookah, 1 HP. Viper's 1 HP under hookah.
Okay.
Goodness.
Yo, I think this scams me.
Two, mid two, and
Mid two.
Down. Last player standing.
Okay.
Spike
EXL,
down B.
EXL darker.
Thrifty.
He just knew? The fuck?
Okay.
You're all
Let's
more
book a scrim
important
then.
than words from a brief.
Okay.
Look
Let's
out
book
for
a
it.
scrim then.
Alright.
Alright.
Dialing in. Fuck, I'm broke though.
you guys want me going hookah?
Bye, bye.
Nah. You had to sell util. Don't do that.
Wow, it's a stimmy, bro.
I need to blow
That's
some.
what I thought, bro.
Thank you.
My pleasure.
Stupid ass.
Time to hunt.
Taken down. My ult's open up the sky. Fully smoked.
40. Looking at.
I'm flanking spawn. Kill that, kill this guy.
Still got it.
One enemy remaining.
Jump down.
Oh,
This horse kicks.
Oh my god, it really is cooked,
hate
bro.
it. I
It
hate
really
it.
is cooked how good I am.
God damn it.
James, it's actually cooked, bro. James.
Man, I want to talk shit, but I can't.
James.
I just
What
can't.
can I do, James? We're in form. Fuck. It's only day 1. I'm in form.
My pack.
First day back from camping, I'm in form? Is this real, chat? Jubu thing in the 15 months. My honest ex-professional opinion.
she's playing pocket as brim.
One TP'd from long.
Masaru. Masaru. Masaru.
Storming.
Launching smoke. Stim beacon down.
Pocket.
Spike down A.
Got the spike.
Last player
No way
standing.
this guy goes through off that time. Oh my god.
30 seconds left.
Oh my god.
So close.
Combat is a means to an end. And we are the means.
EXL, huh? Hey. Hey.
These
How you
EXL
wanna
guys are
move?
different.
Play then. Looking for a scrum block. 4 p.m. 7 p.m. Me and James are waiting.
Who's the rest of our team?
Watch and learn.
You, me, Subrosa, Bordell, Bang.
Holy fuck, we're clearing.
50.
Have you all?
Hawk
Who
out.
got?
Right.
Heal up, squad.
Smoke's down. Stim beacon down.
He's dead.
Time to hunt. There's another.
Last player standing.
One hookah, one backside.
Eee.
Drink some water, reload your mags, and let's get back out there. Out of charges.
Out of charges.
Out of charges.
What?
What?
Yo, let's go 5B long.
Sure.
My chat beefing with Crosshair? What Crosshair? What happened? Chat is still beefing? Not beefing, chat.
Hawk out.
Stim beacon here.
Blinded. Time to hunt.
Fully
That's so
smoked.
many ult.
Scout
What the
just
what?
What?
somebody out. Hawk out. Realizing in. Headshot.
Last player
Okay.
standing.
Got mine.
Out.
Okay, Quan is legit stupid. Quan is actually.
They're going to scatter from my stuff. Super easy to keep off.
Batmaning in 4 months.
Damn, I don't know what to do, man. We're losing control.
Yeah, I don't know what's happening, but can you guys take over?
Stay sharp.
Masaru?
Wontoning in 3 months.
Hawk out. Blinded. Welcome to my world. Drop.
That it.
Spike down A.
Interesting.
Stim beacon down. Open up the sky.
Good shot. 1 second, actually.
Wrong buddy out.
See ya. Prepare for hellfire.
One enemy remaining.
Spike planted.
I know.
Molly.
You would.
Nice. Are you playing smokes to bait us into thinking you are joining NRG? Bro, I'm not joining any team. I don't know why everyone thinks I'm joining a team, bro. I'm not joining no one. Why would I change my perfectly healthy lifestyle to completely fuck it up? Zoofing around in 27. Let alone NRG, bro. Their year is fucked.
I got the spike.
No way.
Dude.
He is fake, eh?
Yeah.
Fully smoked.
Light off, eh?
I'm all in. You're sick. Just
Yo, ult, ult.
Yeah. Stim
Right,
beacon
it's on
here.
side.
Who trained you? Molly.
Reese's in our
Market.
short. TP and in our
TP.
short.
2 TP and then 1 in market. This way, this way.
Right here.
I'm holding with you. Stupid ass.
One enemy remaining.
And then
Got 5. That's bingo.
Stupid ass.
No more doubts. We're ready.
I have 18 kills. Fuck,
Beeping.
man.
Fuck, dude, I can't shit talk you, dude. This guy's stupid.
Hawk out. Blinded.
Stim beacon down.
Enemy spotted. Time to hunt.
9 TP.
Down.
Destroy.
Close enough.
Here.
200.
There. One down.
Nice, I'm sorry.
Whoa, something.
Down.
DX down, huh?
120.
Player standing.
Finish echo.
3 for 3. Hawk out. Blinded. Take
What
it
the hell
out.
is that guy doing?
One enemy remaining.
Alright. She be
Last
gaming
round
24
in the
months. This
half.
guy's finally back after 6 months. Bro,
Spend wisely or
what do you
spend
mean
foolishly.
6 months,
Just
bro?
spend.
I was legit gone for 4 days.
Need equipment.
Get a buy chant.
Thanks.
Honestly, guys, 6 is good.
That's all I'm saying.
This is not a test. Should I buy the energy classic? Oh, hell yeah, you should.
I'm
Enemies
brim
on
shower.
hunt.
Wait, I'm gonna...
Launching smoke. Dim beacon here.
Ult ready. Healing over here.
Why is this guy not Jekyll? He be...
Oh yeah! Monster on the loose!
Can they be in shower?
Open up the
Could be.
sky.
Nice.
One shower. Yeah.
Spike down A.
Heaven. Echo 7. I'm not anything. There's 1 5. 5 7.
Like butter,
Okay.
baby. Holly.
Be you.
Last
Carries
player
down.
standing. Spike down A.
Oh my. Perfect teamwork.
Oh my, perfect teamwork.
Switching sides.
We're surrendering.
Yeah, I'm
We're
down.
here because we're the best. Don't any of you
No, man. Official sadding me 2 months. You left us with career big no streamer for 4 days. What the fuck? What the flippity flip flop, dude? Oh, after this, I'm gonna eat some so yummy, yummy food.
Like what?
I don't know. Pizza?
You're bulking again, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Viper's there.
Smoke's down.
Pulling your shower.
Second wall, who got?
Yeah, I'm gonna.
Flash right.
Smoke's down.
One long. Got me
I
more.
believe in you,
Launching
bro.
smoke.
Yeah.
Stay.
Stim beacon down.
One long,
Yeah,
so he might
walls
TP.
up.
I think he's gonna TP.
Yeah.
Maybe nice. Could be in here.
Okay.
Long.
How many? Yeah.
Two you all,
At
two
least
you all,
two.
two you all.
TPing, TPing. Two TP.
Didn't expect your race.
Last player standing.
30-second left. Oh my god.
This couldn't be any worse.
30 seconds left. Spike planted.
What the?
Team A.
Does he not realize it's me?
That's what I'm saying.
We move
He
as
just
a
kept
unit,
running.
okay?
Yo, bye. We're gonna beat the fuck out of Scotty. Come 5 short A.
5 short.
5 short A. I just want to prove a point to
Okay.
this fucking Viper. He's gonna lurk, okay? Wherever he is, he's on the left. He's on the left. We're gonna stim and we're gonna run him the fuck down. Walk up, and then run at him. Ready? On the left.
Stim beacon here.
No, it's on the left.
It's on the right.
Or right at me. It's on the right.
He mollied him, run.
Get him.
This fucking fraud.
Reloading.
No joke, if I'm Scotty, I'm legit T.
Spike planted.
Look at it. Bro, he's T-spawn still with Phantom.
Right
Really?
here.
Have
He's
anything?
right here, he's right here.
Right
Still here,
here.
Phantom.
You can get him.
Yeah.
Flash out.
What? I did 50 to Gecko.
Spawn.
Last player standing.
70.
That's Scotty, man. So inspiring.
They think themselves are equals. They are
I can't believe
mistaken.
he went to the right. Bro, he walled from the left and went. What a sick. And then he ran away to T-spawn.
Uh,
Oh my god, Twee manning with 19
rat
months.
fuck.
Ah, that cannot be. Oh, there's no world. There's no world where I log on to Valorant and I lick walls every round. Not a chance I'm doing that. If there was money on the line, sure.
Good dog.
Short.
Smoke's down.
Coming up, eh? Coming out.
Yeah, rush day, huh?
Knowing Scotty's probably like T-spawn again. No cap.
Launching smoke. Down you go.
Spike planted.
D5 brim.
In the smoke. 2 in the smoke.
Smoke's down.
One shower.
Now we're cooking. Stim beacon here.
Last player
shower.
standing.
Rush.
I don't shower at U-Haul. Ah,
Another
shit.
fight? Clean slate. Let's leave whatever happened in the past.
I'll put chips on A.
Fuck, we need some guys. Can I get boost top truck?
Right here. Right here.
Thank you.
Oh yeah! Monster on the loose!
Smoke's down. The hunt begins. Stim beacon down.
Stand up.
Crap, yeah.
Netting,
Three
netting.
down. Molly.
Here's another.
Launching smoke.
Okay, 80. His pocket netted. 80
One
pocket.
enemy remaining. Spike down A.
Nice.
No one beats my firepower. I got this.
Illegal boost, bro. It's not illegal. Oh my god, that just reminded me of something. Oh.
Find the weak point and break it.
How you doing in spawn, bud?
Boy, what the hell, boy?
You smoke hookah?
Yeah.
Launching smoke.
Smoke.
Spike down B.
Stim beacon here.
2. Guys are up.
Not up. They're not up.
I want shots. That's it.
I'm the judge, though.
Well, I gave you 2 trips on U-Haul.
Smoke's down.
Oh, I didn't.
Flash, not 1 hookah, 2 long.
Jeepers in
Not
6
up
months.
Here.
Raise hookah from unknown.
Here. He's running away. The raid's running. Coming. I have 2 flashes.
I'll net.
Censored.
Spike planted.
Planted. I think I
Yeah.
broke it.
Netting. He's in the
Like
smoke,
U-Haul.
I think. He's in the smoke.
Flashing.
Smoke.
One enemy remaining.
Flashing
This
again.
guy, you all. Nice.
Gonna heal.
One second.
Bro, chat. Everyone just chill, chat.
Thank you.
But thank you, chat. You guys reminded me of something.
Ultimate's ready.
You guys are the ghosts.
Returning to post.
Gear up. Stay safe. We're going back in.
Shrubs in 3 months. In my honest opinion, James.
Say it.
Nah, I was gonna say grab net, but it's eco.
Like grab that short.
Yeah, but it's eco round. I don't think that'll 5-man. Fuck, really, Scotty? You're gonna lurk up A short again?
I mean, I can grab net default if they come in.
Launching smoke.
A short.
Walling it. Really tried to go on top of the box. Nice. Bring it. Enough.
Got stim beacon down.
Really.
Left. Bio's
Really.
ready.
One by one.
Launching smoke.
We both there.
For realsies, that's how you're gonna move. Well, what do you think was gonna happen?
Enemy
I'm
spotted
sorry.
A.
Smoke's down.
From here. One brim. Long.
One enemy remaining. Spike down B. 30 seconds left.
Is he by you?
I don't
No,
hear.
no,
I don't hear.
– 18 seconds.
18 seconds left.
Oh, shoot it! Oh my.
Oh my god. Vicky, think in
Think
2
Arena
months will come back.
streams
Let's
like
freaking
this.
go, dude.
I
Arena?
learned something.
Oh, this
Gecko
is the
was-
round. This is the round, James.
Oh, okay.
Arena stream sniping? Holy shit.
I mean, he was doing something shady.
Wow, what do you
Gecko,
even do?
his crosshair was just sitting on Gecko, and he wasn't shooting. I think he was looking at another monitor. You know what I'm saying? You want me to tether right?
Whatever you want.
Two. 1 of 500 is looking at.
Smoke.
I don't think they're here.
Let's TP, let's TP, let's TP, let's TP. Let's triple TP.
Stim beacon here.
On the left.
No, you're gonna get netted. Oh
Spike
my.
planted.
Easy gecko.
1 of 5 raise.
Molly.
Probably two geckos.
See it.
Last player
Two
standing.
more. One more.
And Brim unknown.
Remote.
Shot.
Sure.
Frank the Tank Gaming in 12 months.
None of my stuff has malfunctioned yet. Can we celebrate that?
Oh my god. Oh no. Is Dicey yelling from Immortal 2? It's hard to hear. What the fuck?
Oh yeah! Monster on the loose!
Stim beacon here.
Barrier deployed.
Open up the sky. Smoke's down.
I didn't ult him? Ow. Where the fuck did this guy ult from?
Want a shower?
Shower.
Sensor triggered.
Lurk shower. Body. You sky ult? I'm sorry or no?
Seek some outs.
Be backside, watch out. Molly from backside.
Triple.
Triple.
Is Gecko there?
Launching smoke.
That.
Nope, no escape.
And you all.
Yeah, gecko.
Molly. Launching smoke.
Hawk out.
Link for TP.
2B, yeah.
Target spotted.
One guy still you too.
I don't hear hookah yet. Could we wrap? Care market.
Duel's clear.
Could have went backside, I
Could
guess.
walk. Could go walk long, I guess.
Box bonded.
Assault.
Yeah, care.
30 seconds
Okay.
left.
Could be long. Then. One hookah. Two.
Okay.
Two.
One enemy remaining.
Hold up. No. James. No, dude.
Dude, he one tapped both of them?
Thanks.
Like what?
Ah, yeah. Alright, whatever.
Ay, ay, ay.
I'm just an ultless dog.
Deadlock. I love deadlock. Deadlock. You know what? I'm actually surprised there haven't been that many clove insta-locks today. Kinda happy about that.
I don't think that agent's very good.
That is terrible.
Smoke's down.
Agent spot.
I'll watch top box.
One
Smoke's
hookah.
down.
Smoke 3.
Stim beacon down. For hellfire.
Oh, ults. They're out.
Launching smoke.
One
Out
more.
of charges.
One enemy remaining. Spike planted.
Coming with.
He's orb. Still long.
Grenade.
On the right. I'm mulling.
Volley.
Barrier deployed.
Nice.
Alright.
No.
Technically,
Right.
if you do the math, you're one more
You're-
closer than me.
But you get more
But
kills.
you're killing it. You're killing it, bro.
But you get kills.
You're literally killing them all.
Not the boom you hoped for.
Is that what I sound like? Is that what I sound like, dude?
Don't sit down. We're not done yet.
3 hour and 40-minute stream. Is that shameless?
Of course not.
Of course not. That's overworking.
100%. You deserve overtime. Honestly, everyone gift a sub right now. He's working
Yeah,
overtime.
no cap. Bro, man's is tired, yo.
Let's start this party.
It's a long day today. Let me try this thing.
Launching smoke.
One here.
Uli yelling with a prime. Dexterity with a gifted. Kyle Kyling in 3 months. Shaning with a
Black.
gifted.
Enemy spotted.
Five. I think it's 5.
Smoke's
Pretty sure
down.
it's 5.
Smoke's down.
Out or what?
Target
Yeah.
spotted B. Raise it. Party.
Knowing Scotty, this guy TP's behind me. No cap, chat. He's either waiting for me at
Left,
the
left,
TP,
left.
or he's waiting.
One right. Viper or none.
It could be hookah.
Do you
I
ever
need
went
TP.
elbow?
The Viper.
Both long?
Yep.
I was wondering that.
Reloading.
Could walk close long. There.
One enemy remaining.
One HP, I'm chilling.
Yeah, I'm holding passive then.
You could have timing double.
Could've,
30 seconds left.
Stuck long.
I don't think so though.
He is elbow. I whiffed.
Running it.
Catch up.
Nice, you. Dexterity for
Match
another gifted?
point.
Holy shit.
Day's almost ours. Take it.
For the gifted. Holy shit.
Help a girl
Holy
out.
shit.
Cheers, mate.
Psalm stream as soon as I wake up. Couldn't be last week, damn.
I need a beat.
Surely a stream tomorrow too? Yeah.
Come here, man.
On the stream, same time as today, tomorrow. Maybe a little bit later though, low key. But like around the same time.
Launching
Oh
smoke.
yeah! Monster on the loose!
Where they? Up. You're up here.
Oh, defense.
Oh, backside!
Spike down A.
Oh, you are.
Yeah.
Called that so late.
Straight up.
I'll never.
Straight up.
Fuck up.
Smoke's down.
Straight up.
Alright, Tim, you happy with that one? You wanna do
Twinkie thing
another?
within 5 months. What? You're done? You can call it. I won't force you to play. We got hella games in.
We did.
It's all good if you feel sick, brother.
Yeah, I'm just tired now.
It's all good, brother.
Don't be late tomorrow, dudes.
Shut up.
Whoa.
Shut up. I run the show there now, Chet.
Mango green tea thing name.
Actually.